So today we are going to discuss about ROS2 workspaces. For this, I will be creating a folder which will contain all my workspaces. It will be like all workspace. This folder I just created to have all my workspaces in an aligned manner. So I will be creating our actual workspace for this project here. So it will be like about workspace. So I can give any name for my workspace. So inside this workspace, I will be having a SRC folder. This is mandatory. It should have this source folder. So inside this SRC, I will be having all my packages.
So let's get into ROS2 workspace structure. This ROS2 workspace is meant to organize our development files. So we already created our workspace named as like ROS Workspace. So inside this workspace, we have to create our SRC folder or source folder, in which we will be developing our packages. So all these packages we are creating for our project will be inside this SRC folder. So the packages will be like, we can have package 1, package underscore 1, package underscore 2, etc. package underscore 2, etc. For example, the package navigation underscore package. So we can have a navigation package like this. This navigation package contain all the program files related to this navigation task. These all files are inside our SRC folder. Beside this SRC folder, there will be other folders appearing inside our workspace folder, which will be auto generator. This will be like build file and install folder and one log folder. This all are auto generator. This auto generator. This we have to build, create. This is created by user. So these all three folders will be auto generator when we compile our workspace. So let's get more into our source folder, means SRC folder. Source folder is where our packages will be arranged. A package is an individual software bundle for a particular task. So we have our packages inside our SRC folder, package underscore 1. So let's consider only one package for now. So inside each package there will be one more SRC folder, one more source folder. So this source folder inside our package is where the point we will be putting our C++ codes. If we are developing our software for our robot in C++, we will be adding all the C++ files inside this folder, C++ file. For in this course we are considering more about Python. So to add our Python script, we will be creating another folder called scripts. It is meant for Python. So in the scripts folder we will be adding all the Python programs for our project. Also inside our package there will be two more files which is auto generated, which will be like auto generated. So it will be like package.xml and CMake list. .txt file. So these two files are auto generated. This package.xml file contain information about our package dependencies, like all the details package dependencies, version number, etc. And this CMake file contain instruction for our instruction for compiling our package. It will be giving this information to the compiler. Okay, now we will be getting inside our scripts folder. So scripts folder is where we will be adding our Python scripts. So let's see what is inside the script folder. So if we go into scripts folder, script folder will contain two files basically, init.py file and our ROS program. So this two will be inside our scripts folder. So notice that it is organized as a typical Python library file format. So there is a init.py file and another program that we will be writing for our robot. It's also worth noticing that in our package folder there will be other folders like inside our package 1. So inside our packages there will be other folders, like we already know about scripts and we already know about src folder. There will be C++ inside src, Python files inside script. There will be another folders like launch file, message folder, etc. All these folders also can be there inside a package folder. So about all these files and folders we will be discussing in the upcoming chapters.
Yeah, so we already created this old workspace and we created a robot workspace inside this, and we created a SRC folder inside this just using right click and plus new folder. Now, as we already created all these files, now we will be creating our package folder inside this SRC. So now we can use ROS2 package create command to create this packages. So let's go to the terminal and then we will be cd into our main folder. This is all. I will press tab to predict this. So now I press tab, so it predicted automatically. Old workspace, I get into old workspace. I can press ls and see what are the contents there. So our about workspace is there. I'm getting into about workspace using this cd command again. I will just press error and I will press tab. It will predict. So inside this also I will try ls. Yes, we can see our src. I'm getting into src folder. So we are in the src folder. Here we should create our packages. To create packages, we will be using ROS2 package create command. But here we forget one thing. We have to source our environment before starting. So I have to source. I will go back to the main folder. Then I will do source. I just press the cd to go back. Source / opt ROS. Our ROS version is humble. I'm using humble now. Humble setup.bash. So it is I already sourced it into the workspace. Now I can go back to the previous file path. For this I can use cd hyphen command. So I already gone back to old workspace about src folder. So I'm inside this src folder now, and our terminal is already sourced for this humble version. Now I will be typing this command ROS2 package. I can just press tab to predict this thing. I can so here ROS2 package create. Now I have to give the package name. I can create here about package one, any name I want. I just created. And we also have to give this build type parameter. So we will be creating this build type parameter. Build type amend CMake. I use amend CMake for now. This. Okay. Okay, I just added one extra icon there. So this is the command. You can see all this data here. So when you get inside this folder, this is our previous folder. So inside this only we have created all these packages. When you open this, we can see our about packages already created. So this is our package. We have this already created include file and this automatically created CMOIC list and package.xml file and SRC folder. Inside this SRC folder, we will be creating like C++ program if we are going to develop our software stack in C++. And if I want to create Python, I will create a folder of scripts. I'll create this. Inside scripts, I will create init.py file and I will create my Python program. This is the basic structure. So we can just see like the content of our package.xml file here and also content of our CMake file here. So CMake file, as we told, like it has this version number, maintainer details and all. CMake list have this details about like what are the things the compiler should go through for compiling our package.
If we look into our entire structure of our workspace, we will be having a about workspace. This can be any name. So inside our workspace folder, there will be src folder, build folder, install folder, log folder. These three folders are auto generated when we build our package, build our workspace. This src folder is something that we are creating. So we will be creating this src folder. Inside src folder, we will be creating package 1, package 2, whatever number of packages we want for our project. So inside our package 1, there we will create the script folder and there will be src folder. Inside src folder, it will be a provision to add C++ programs. Then there will be package.xml file and CMake list, which is auto generator, and we will be creating this our Python program. Inside the script folder, there will be init.py file also inside the script folder.